real talent.
It does. I don't know why you guys are laughing. That's so hard. Like, I can play this song like no other, but as soon as this... Fuck you. Yeah, woo! Daddy spoke, bitch.
I know. Just a dance. I know what you're doing. What are you doing? I don't know. It was really uncomfortable.
Fucking cuddling? Get to you.
You're a beautiful singer. Huh?
No,
You tell me about it.
You don't need to lie to me.
Give you a compliment.
Yeah. It might help if you didn't compliment on something I already knew wasn't true. Hey Mike, you're so good looking. I think so too. Hey Mike, you're a good singer. No, I'm not. Thanks for bullshitting me there. I tried my hardest. Sound like a fucking skunk in a blender.
That's horrible.
Fuck you, that's my voice. Bitch. Talking to the...